Go home happy with the 2021 Chrysler 300. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Cruise boldly in stylish comfort in the 300, the full-size sedan that blends traditional touring car panache with state-of-the-art automotive technology. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors, heated front seat, power passenger seat. Why not treat yourself to the comfort of a premium sedan? Take the 300 out for a drive and rediscover elegance.